Alright guys, so I pulled out a stack of all the sandpapers that I had to see which ones I could use for the headlights. So I put a few sheets. I'm going to go ahead and start the headlights with 800. The driver's side especially because it is, worse than the passenger side. So I'm going to just go ahead and start them off at 800. Just work them down from there. I have 1000 grit, 1200. This is a 1500 grit and 2000 grit. So just gonna work it down all the way to 2000, and then from there I'm gonna use this. This is an attachment for a drill, and this is a compound pad. Same thing, just add some compound and just use it in a drill. For the drill, I'm gonna be using just a battery powered drill. Alright guys, so this might be the last video of this Ford Escape. I've done pretty much everything I wanted to do with it, with $200 budget, which is the $100 green paint, jade green from eBay. uh, $12 quart of flat black, little rattle can, the 12-ounce can or 16-ounce can, rust-oleum flat for the roof rack, um, headlights, just wet sand, a little buff with the McGuire's compound. Came out decent. Let's go ahead and check this roof rack. So this is also flat black. Just gave it a little coat just to, match it with the body plastics. It drizzled over the night and there's a little bit of dirt already there, but the color flat black goes well with plastics. Some people say it dries out and it's ashy or something. Sometimes you could also spray like quick wax or something on plastics just to keep them, you know, not so dry. Something like this, it looks like a like a matte finish, has like a little bit of sheen to it. I still need like this plastic right here. I it's in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this thing, the last and final piece. So I'll do that off camera. But check out this bumper right here, the flat black paint going into regular plastic with no paint. It almost matches, but really nice color. Real nice results. These tail lights are the stock ones. Didn't do anything to those. Yep, that is it. If you guys didn't get to see like the whole series of fixing this Jeep, I'll make a folder with all the videos, and I'll put the link in this video description so you guys can check it out. Check out the other links where I get my paints from. This $95 eBay paint also. And that's gonna be it. Leave your comments if you guys saw this Jeep from the beginning all the way to the end. Leave a comment what you guys think. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Oh, and I also need to install the grill.